So next we'll go best by links. So this is a really interesting one because often when people, update their website or migrate to a new website, they have a lot of broken links in here. So these are links that are pointing to your pages. So essentially it's ranking your pages by the amount of links that they have. So here you've got the RD, which is the referring domains. So you can see that there's 157 referring domains to the www.valensolutions.com.au, and then there's 100 to this same URL but without the HTTPS, and then that's redirecting to the HTTPS version. And then you can see that the main service page is the plumbing.html page. So this is really useful, right? So if you migrated your website and this changed to just /plumbing instead of the .html, this would actually be a 404. So you'd be able to see that you're missing out on these 14 links that you have to this plumbing page, and then you can set up a redirect from plumbing.html to /plumbing, and you'd get that value back. So if we see here, right, so this page, Handyman Services, it has 8 referring domains. So if we jump in here, this page will be a 404. So that's a lot of lost value there. They're missing out on these 8 referring domains to their page. This should be redirected to whatever page is relevant. Whether they actually don't do Handyman Services anymore, it could still be relevant to redirect this back to the home page so this lost value gets recovered. And if they've actually just changed it to, for example, /handyman, they want to redirect it to that version. So there's a ton of really cool stuff in Ahrefs. This was all part of the Site Explorer. That's all for this part of the Ahrefs walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check back soon for the next part.